Hey everybody, it's the Handbag Hauler here, coming to you with a quick video haul from Family Dollar today. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. So in the background right there, that's my Coach Dempsey. I carried this today. I did a video on that yesterday and earlier today, so you can go back and look at it if you would like to know more about it. So today I did the Glade and this Oral-B Spin toothbrush. Both of the Glades were $5 each. I had a coupon for buy one, get one free. And then the Oral-B toothbrush was $7. And I had a $5 off coupon. These were paper coupons, so they can be used anywhere. They were manufacturer coupons, so wherever you find the best deal. I did mine at Family Dollar. Some people have done theirs at Dollar General or wherever you find it at the best price in your area. You can use those coupons for your purchase. So I'm going to show you my breakdown here really quick. So this is from the Dollar General. The Glade right there you see, regular price, $5. They took 75 cents off of one of them. The second one was also $5. They took $4.75 off, which is basically the same thing. And then the Oral-B toothbrush was $7. I think my sister said that they have it at the Dollar General in her area for $6. So she would have paid $1 for it with a $5 coupon. So my subtotal came to $6 for everything. With tax, it came to $7.49. So that is my total for these three items. So like I said, it's a paper coupon. If you do get the mailers on Sundays or whenever you get your coupons, you can use those two coupons for this particular transaction. And like I said, just figure out what store has the better prices where you can get your subtotal less if you like than $6. They had all Glade products. Well, not all Glade, but I know it was these. You couldn't use it on the plugins. You could use it on the Glade candles. So if you like the Glade candles, you can use it on that. And try it at Dollar General, at your Walmart. I haven't been to see the actual price of those places. I just did Family Dollar because I had to go in there anyway. So I just went ahead and did that. Used those coupons for that transaction. So again, everybody, thank you for joining me. I'm sitting here watching these election results. Thought I'd do a quick video on this. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your evening, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great evening.